This isn't actually a poster, this is a billboard. 86 cruise control steering wheel.
Look at that.
I actually made a mold of this, so we're gonna start producing these.
Conway Twitty. Oh, that is classic right there. Why not go back to stock? I think that's a pretty cool idea, to be honest with you. Driving down the road right now. Today we are headed to Fox Mustang Restoration, and we're going to check out their headquarters, their plant, see what they've got in stock. In fact, they have new old stock, and if you don't know what that means, it means that it was parts that Ford produced, still in the box and never used. So, you know, like moldings on the side of a GT. They have the original moldings still in the box you can buy from them. They have all kinds of new old stock, so definitely check out the site. But yeah, we're going to do a full tour today and see what they got. So I'm pretty excited about it. I've actually never been out there. In fact, if you guys know about Foxtoberfest, they have that every year. It originally started where we're going today. The first Foxtoberfest, I believe, was at their headquarters in Locust, North Carolina. That's where we're going. So I'm pretty excited about that. As you can see, I'm in the convertible 2 SSP car. That build is still coming. But, you know, obviously I can't drive it yet. Although the goal is to have it at Foxtoberfest in some form or fashion. Also, I want to be able to meet a lot of you guys there. So if you can come out to Foxtoberfest, if you're coming out, please let me know in the comments down below. I'm thinking of trying to set up some sort of get together afterwards just for people that want to hang out. Maybe that late Saturday night, or maybe we'll do something on Sunday. I'm not sure. If that would interest you, also again, let me know. And a lot of these details I'll be sharing out on my Instagram as well. So if you're not following me on Instagram yet, it's just Gearhead704 on there. But anyway, no C8 talk today. No Ford 2020 GT500 talk today. We're just talking Fox bodies on here. So let's go on and get to the shop.
Your destination is on the left.
Yeah, this is the showroom, by the way. That ponies up there is awesome.
That's pretty cool. Ford only made 1,000 of those.
Really?
Yeah, I think it was Ford Collection. They only made 1,000, and I got one of the very last ones. Most everything in here is original. That's why the posters look rough. That's an original 82 GT. These are 85 GT. This is actually from 1985.
It's in really good shape from 1985.
This one's from 1982.
Yep.
That one's from 1992, obviously.
Yep.
That pace car poster over there, that's an original pace car poster.
Okay.
However, the person I bought it off of trimmed about 5 inches all the way off.
Oh, what a shame.
I've got a matching F-150 truck.
Oh, I love the Cobra one here.
Yeah, these are original SVT posters.
Oh,
he
drove it in the commercial. I remember the little video. That's the same dude.
Yeah, so you got your 93 Cobra and you got your Lightning, your matching Lightning poster.
Ford Lightning. Oh, it's the same dude driving.
Yeah.
Lucky dude.
Yeah, so I try to collect up original, you know, original stuff. And got that big poster. Here you go.
Oh yes, we have to get this.
It's a big poster
up today.
It measures 123 inches by 272 inches, and this was printed in December 4th, 1985.
You know what? Let's show them this. Let's get this out today.
Okay, that sounds good.
Yeah, you can see
pixelated.
And it's gonna look like this up close because you got to see it from far away.
Right. This isn't actually a poster. This is a billboard.
It's a billboard.
I think. Yeah, there's part of the red 86. So we'll get this out. I've never opened this up. I've never seen this displayed. I've never unfolded this. So we'll go out in the shop, lay it out. We're going to have to climb up on one of the tall racks or the ladder to be able to see it. But I really want to check this thing out.
Yeah. I'm going to show you more of the inside of the shop in a minute, but this is like so cool out here. This is almost, I don't know, you call it the boneyard or whatever, but I'm going to go ahead and turn you guys around now. Look at all the Fox bodies out here. This is crazy. Some of them don't look too bad. Like, oh, this looks like an SBO over here. Yes, it is. Look at that. Some of them look like they could be restored. Other ones, not so much, right? I mean, this one's, yeah, needs a little love. I got to get Matt out here to show me which ones are savable and which ones aren't. So guys, I'm out here looking at some of the cars that Matt owns, and one of them in particular piqued my interest because it's also a Florida Highway Patrol SSP car like mine, and you can see kind of what they used to look like. Obviously, it had the two colors here. Mine's all black now, but yeah, you can see like this is where my trunk looks pretty bad, right? Because they would take this off. What would they do? They'd sand that off, Matt, typically?
Yeah, however they could get it off, they'd scrape it off with a razor blade. A lot of the stuff was painted, and they would just go with a block of sandpaper. Like
yeah.
In this Georgia car over here.
Yeah, this is another one he has. This is a Georgia SSP car.
Yep, and they would just so you couldn't drive it as an actual patrol car. They would sell it with everything sanded off, all the stuff removed. You can see it's got tape over where all the
where this has been on antennas.
Yeah, there's one there, that quarter panel, the roof.
Well, and that's what's unique about that one is a lot of that stuff is still there. I mean, it still has the number on the car.
Yeah, you just don't see that, the original unit
right.
number.
Look at this. Check this out, guys. And that's because it was wrecked. It was in a front end wreck is what you're telling me.
Yep.
And
53,000 original miles this car has on it.
Yeah, and you can see they replaced basically here to about here.
Yep. Right there, you can see the weld right there and just section that whole thing out.
Yep. And but I mean, this is a very original car. Oh yeah.
This is a 1989 car with 1989 date coded spark plug wires.
You can only get this from the factory is what you're telling me.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Even if you went to Ford in 89, you could not
you wouldn't have the year on it. And mine's an 88, of course, but so this is a Mass Air car. Yeah, obviously, right?
Yeah, 89 was the first year of Mass Air.
But then another one thing that's different about the Florida Highway Patrol, they've got the painted 10 holes, which mine has 10 holes, but they're more like the Georgia one, so it's obviously not the original ones they had. But look, guys, same interior as mine. Were all the SSPs kind of this interior, or this is just an interior for a Florida?
It depends on the year and in the state. They did do different interiors. Georgia's were mostly blues, from my understanding. FHPs from 87 to 89 were tan, and because of 90 they eliminated the tan.
Okay.
It wasn't even
really? Okay.
Yep.
Well, that would be why then.
Yeah, the sand beige ran basically from 84, technically 85 to 89.
And you've got another SSP inside.
That's another Georgia car.
Yep, which I think Jen is calling Peach, maybe? What's her name for that?
Yeah, Peaches.
Peaches.
Yeah, they both, all these cars came out of Georgia, and the two Georgia cars, she named that one Peaches, of course, for Georgia.
Do you have a name for this one yet?
Not yet.
All right.
She named that one, though. The other Georgia car she named Cream because it was cream of the crop, so you got Peaches and Cream.
All right. I think we should get Jen to come up with a cool name for mine because she's good at that kind of stuff. So
she is good. She'll probably eventually name this one for me.
Yeah, we'll see what your name is, and maybe I'll come up with a twin name. What I'm thinking about doing now, guys, talking to Matt, I'm thinking about actually trying to restore mine to look like this paint scheme, although I can't drive it in Florida if I do that, right? They pull me over.
Bad idea.
Yeah. So the other 49 states I'm good, but let me know kind of what you guys think down in the comments below about going sort of original on the outside. Obviously we have a different drivetrain, but as far as interior and the outside, I have to go through that anyway. Why not go back to stock? I think that's a pretty cool idea, to be honest with you. So we'll see what the viewers think. And you're thinking about restoring this one completely, right?
Yeah, this one right here, I really have the intention to do 100% original. All the equipment, the light bar, I'll put the original unit number back on the roof, and being in North Carolina, I should be able to drive around.
That's crazy. Definitely, as he gets that done, we're gonna have to document some of this on the channel. We'll come and check on it from time to time, see what kind of progress you made, Matt, because that's gonna be so cool. I know that people will love to see this.
Yeah, I always like to do the repairs right. So on the frame wall, I will actually remove the radiator support at the spot welds and the frame wall all the way to the firewall. So this whole section, there won't be any seaming like they've done here. I'll drill out the spot welds and do the plug welds and make it look like it did, right? Yeah.
So you're going to end up basically pulling this whole thing apart.
Pretty much, yeah. I mean, this car is going to be completely stripped down. 100. I got a rotisserie, so every nut.
You have a rotisserie? That's awesome.
Every nut and bolt will come off of this car, and everything going back on it will be restored new. 2 buck tags. You can see these 2 buck tags better on this car than yours.
Yep, mine are. Everything's in the way. Yeah. So, and as all SSPs had 2 buck tags. That's the difference, right?
Correct. This would be the stock buck tag that would come with the car. This one, because the radiator was replaced, they've actually got the wrong buck tag on there.
Right, because again, this whole section was replaced, right?
It's the only thing original I really don't have. Kind of sucks, but oh well. And then the SSP would get this special DSO tag that would tell it, you know, what paint job. You see this one says Florida Special, roof and rear deck, cream, which is the tan, and the remainder to be black, and it says Special Service Package.
Yeah, that's pretty
SSP.
cool.
Both cars have all 4 original tires. You can definitely tell they're original by all the dry rotting and cracking, but anybody into originality of the Fox bodies is gonna recognize the VR60 tire pattern. The VR60 is the Gatorback. It was a precursor to the Gatorback before they called it the Goodyear Gatorback. This one right here is pretty amazing as far as the interior goes.
You say this is an 88?
This is an 88 GT. Look at the outside, it looks kind of rough. Really just dirty.
It looks like it's just dirty. Yeah, it looks like
the interior.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Super clean.
Dude. Oh wait. This is the best part. Let's see. We got Conway Twitty. Oh, that is classic right there. I remember Conway.
And we've got the original tape.
Yes. Yes, and if you need one of those, I have one in my garage. Oh, this is a T5 car, manual car. Is it basically stock other than looks like they changed the wheels?
Yeah, pretty much stock, and that's what's cool about these wheels. These are error correct aftermarket wheels.
Yeah.
A lot of people want these things with the car
they do now. I mean, these are these and what are the RHO, HRO?
Yeah, I think RHO.
Yeah, those people like those too. What are these? Are these 16s or 15s? I don't even know. Let's see. It looks like a 16. Yeah, R16. Well, you've got, you know, the biggest problem you have out here is you actually have more room, so I think you got to buy some more Fox bodies. All right, guys, what you're looking at right here in front of me is a bunch of new old stock, which I was talking about on the way over here, and Matt's probably going to show us a little bit, but brand new parts from the factory that were never used, essentially. See, this one says exhaust. Yeah, they're brand new parts that you would have bought at the dealership over the counter. Yep. Except now they're obsolete and can't be bought. You can only get these, as far as I know, from you guys, and not a lot of people, unless somebody has it. Right. You know, yeah. But actually, to log on and order and buy, I mean, that's a lot of this unique. Stuff is few and far between. What we got there? Here's interior panel for an 86. You just don't see that stuff. Nope. Charcoal 83 to 86 hatch, 85, no 86 hatchback. A lot of stuff just got thrown away. Yeah. Ford would have the dealership ship it back, and then they would just throw it away. I heard guys up in Michigan seeing piles and piles of new old stock intakes just getting remelted down. That's so sad. Motorcraft parts. Yeah, a case of 83 to 86 wiper switches. It looks so good, man. Like, obviously it's never been out of the box. Yeah, stock, right? Really not remanufactured in China. New old stock. Exactly. Yeah, a little bit of everything. Oh, here you go. Any 85, 86 guys will die over this. Armrest pad? Yeah, center console armrest pad. Got a couple of those. So, yeah. I'll have to take you inside and show you the NOS room. Awesome. Out, you know, obviously, yep. All the consoles up there. I got dashes over here. Those on the right, I think they're like 6 or 7 black dashes that people are always looking for. Yeah. Got some 4-eye dashes, some seats, some doors, an SVO spoiler. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, doors. Yeah, you said doors. Yep. This is Peaches, by the way. We mentioned Peaches earlier. Yep, rebuilding the transmission on it right now. Oh, and I see you got some hatches over there. Hatch lids. Okay, hatch lids. Thermoformer. Vacuum thermoformer that I built. We're getting ready to start making headliners and Cobra Grill insert brackets and stuff like that. And then you're redoing some quarters over here. Yep. So quarters on my SSP definitely need to be redone, so that would also be kind of a fun thing to do. So absolutely. Yep. What we'll do is we'll take them off the car, and then we'll go take them to the post office. We'll do it right here, and we'll mail it to you so they can see the whole process. Yeah, I got a whole shipping department and everything. The post office even picks up here. That would be funny. But we're not going to do that in case you guys didn't know. What do we got in here? What do we got in here? Brand new in the box, 85, 86 cruise control steering wheel. Look at that. Look at all the green on there. I actually made a mold of this, so we're going to start producing these. No way, really? I've already got the mold done. It's we're going to have the cores. I don't know if I'm going to do it like the quarter windows and do the cores on the steering wheel, or if we're just going to have the frames made and just do it as a direct sale. But this whole room is all new old stock parts. Yep, lots of goodies in here. Yep, dash pads. You got a bumper down here. Bumper down there. Here you go. You want these for your FHP? Oh man. New 10 holes. We got wheel liners, quarter panels.
This is the treasure room.
Definitely looks like it. This is the aerial view of Fox Mustang Restoration. In case you guys wonder what it looked like from up here. It's scary. All right, everybody, so that does conclude our tour of Fox Mustang Restoration. Obviously an awesome place, a lot of parts that you might need on your FoxBody. I know a lot of parts that I definitely need on my FoxBody for the SSP build especially, but you know, the convertible is not fully done yet. There are definitely some more things that we can do with it. I think that you're gonna see more of me out here. I'm probably gonna work with Matt and he's gonna show me a couple tips and tricks. As you can see, he is very knowledgeable about these cars in particular, and he has a lot of them. So I think we're gonna do some more videos out here, but probably more project type stuff. I'm already thinking about, you guys know I've been having an issue burning oil on this car, and I haven't told you I've actually had a coolant issue. So we're gonna do some diagnostics in an upcoming video to see what's going on with my convertible. I'm gonna fill you guys in on that, on Tar Heel Fox, how she's doing. And but yeah, that's pretty much it. So look for that build series, and if this is something you kind of like, you want to see more stuff like that, let me know down in the comments below. But anyway, if you did enjoy this video, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Gearhead 704. Original SVO taillights. Terry, if you're watching, you have to get these. We're tired of the LX taillights in your SVO. Nobody wants to see those. They want to see these.
Hey, you want to see another way to tell if it's got a real SVO?
Yeah.
No, the painted, that metal stripe right there stops around the curve.
Oh, does it really?
Yeah.
You know what's funny is I just got the ones for my 93 Cobra, which are kind of like SVOs. Yep. It's peeling literally on that one.
Yeah. And
that's just bad design, but it's funny they picked the same one to peel on.
Right. I'm sure that was engineered.
Yeah.